Hello everyone, it's Elle and welcome back to the Home Decor channel. Have you noticed that interior design has become increasingly popular over the last few years? Social media has been influencing everyone to design their home with high-end pieces and a look of luxury. Well, let's go into Homegoods where we can find high-end lookalikes at an inexpensive cost. Homegoods is carrying that organic inspired artwork that you see in many high-end stores. The texture of concrete on your abstract art really catches one's eye and gives it a luxury feel and look, like this RH painting here that is framed just like the one in Homegoods. However, stores like RH and West Elm can be quite costly when trying to achieve this look, but head over to Homegoods where you can find one from anywhere from $129 to $249. The marble bowl seems to be the accessory of the year when it comes to home decor. Homegoods carries different varieties of this bowl, but I would say invest in a big chunky one like the one shown in the high-end stores. Our House and other high-end stores are carrying these bowls for $500 and up, but investing in one large marble bowl is a one and done piece on any countertop. Spotting a geometric coffee table at Homegoods is a rare find, but if you see it, grab it because this brings in such a vintage-inspired look to your home, and it gives so much interest and anchors the living room with your eclectic pieces. Our House is selling something very similar for $1,200. So you see, you find these high-end lookalikes and you grab them because they are very worthy of being in your home. Accent chairs are big business these days. This framed accent chair can be found in high-end stores. They are bringing in that look that speaks volumes. People are replacing accent chairs over couches because they serve as an inexpensive way to upgrade your living room. Investing in one high-end piece of furniture that brings in that classic look with a marble countertop and a fluted design will forever be a part of those high-end stores' inventory. Like this Our House Finley sideboard, that's an interchangeable piece. It can be moved from the living room to the dining area to even the entryway. These extra large gilded mirrors are for make it work moments in your home. Do you have a large space and don't know what to put there? Well, these beautiful pieces of decor will add luxury and light. And thank goodness we can find them at Homegoods at an inexpensive cost. Other vendors will carry these pieces at expensive prices and will cost you a lot for delivery, but you can pick one up at Homegoods today. Do you have those beautiful dinnerware pieces or accent pieces like vases and vessels that you want to show off? Well, adding these glass buffet servers to your home makes a big difference to your dining room space. You can add that curated look. Investing in a big piece of furniture like this can be quite costly, so do your research and go back to Homegoods. Homegoods inventory keeps these large, high-end pieces of furniture in rotation, so always check in Homegoods to find these gems or go online to TJ Maxx to see their home decor section. A large framed famous piece of artwork will definitely get you attention in your home. These glassed beauties are so spectacular. You go from Frida to Michael D'Angelo, David, and you cannot go wrong. These are pieces that are keepers, and you can find them at Homegoods for $179 and up. So let's take a look at a few more high-end lookalike pieces that Homegoods has to offer. I truly appreciate you watching the Home Decor channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.